guys, I thought we'd look at Love and Feeling today by Chet Faker. This is just a little acoustic version that I've put together from his live sessions. It's just got 4 chords and a 2-bar rhythm. So we'll go through a playthrough and then we'll check it out. Okay guys, so we got a capo on the 3rd fret and we just got 4 chords. So we've got A minor, G, I like to play 3-finger G, you can play 4-finger G, doesn't really matter. C, and then D sus2, which is a D chord with your middle finger taken off, and then I like to replace the index with the middle, just so it's simpler. So bar of A minor, bar of G, bar of C, bar of D sus2. And then we got this 2-bar rhythm. So if you find that difficult, you can just do the first bar, that rhythm on a repeat. And the same if you find the picks difficult, you can just replace them with a down strum. So for this first bar, if we take an A minor, we're going to go pick on the A string, down, up, pick, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. As I say, you can just use that for the whole song, or if you want this push rhythm, we're going to change to the G on that final up strum. So it would be from the A minor, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then on the G, we do the 2nd bar. We miss out that first beat because we've already put change chord on the and we go up, down, up, pick, up, down, up. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So if we put that together with the A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we come to C. We do pretty much the same thing. We're picking the A string again because we're on C. We're going to do the first bar and we're going to change on the and to the D sus2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick, down, up, pick, up, down, D. And then we're picking the D string because we're on the D. So, and then that just repeats all the way around. So if we go right from the beginning, nice and slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. You might notice sometimes I like to leave my little finger on the C just to keep that sound. And then that just repeats round and round and round. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that lesson. You can check out another one here, subscribe to the channel, and you get a notification every time I do a lesson. And I'll catch you next time.